Basic browsers can retire because Perplexity's AI-powered Comet has officially landed on Android, and it's gonna become your digital wingman. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. After months of hype and a limited early access phase, the Comet browser is now live on the Google Play Store to transform your every tap, scroll, and search into a supercharged AI experience. Comet isn't just a browser, it's practically a co-pilot for your entire online life. Perplexity calls it a constant companion, and they're not kidding. The assistant can answer your questions, take actions you assign it, and even show you step-by-step reasoning as it works, so you can jump in and adjust on the go. One of its flashiest tricks is the total voice control. Android users can literally talk to Comet about anything they have open, whether it's the current page or tabs sitting in the background. Doing research with 10 tabs? Comet will summarize all of them in seconds. Too many product pages open? It'll shop for you by comparing prices and stores exactly to your liking. And for students, Comet can read your digital textbook and quiz you on it. Yes, your browser can now give you homework. Of course, no modern browser is complete without a little protection. Comet blocks ads and spam by default and lets you list trusted sites, keeping your feed clean and your focus sharp. Comet first appeared on desktops earlier this year, but with its Android debut, the AI browser war just got a lot more interesting. And with its promise to assist with meetings, research, shopping, and more 24/7, Perplexity is making it clear your browser isn't just for search, it's a partner in your pocket. Are you ready to try it? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.